up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, and as you can tell by the title, it's gonna be a day in the life for Productive Sunday vlog. It is now about 11 o'clock and my church service is actually about to start, so I'm about to watch that real quick, eat some breakfast, and then I plan on organizing my closet today. I did a video previously about organizing my closet, so it's not like it's junky or anything. I just need to move out those like fall long sleeve sweaters out of my closet and bring in my spring / summer stuff. So especially since it's now starting to warm up, y'all, it's like, I don't know how, let me check the weather real quick. It's currently 61 degrees outside, but yesterday it was like 70 something. It was so nice. So yes, plan to do that today. Also want to show my nails some love, so I'm gonna be painting those and doing my toes, maybe a little self-care, washing my hair, and yeah, just pretty much relaxing. Not too much to do today. I mean, it ain't like I can do anything anyway with us being stuck in the house. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this day started. Okay guys, so just to show y'all what my closet currently looks like, it's still pretty much organized from when I did that last organization video, which I'll put it up at the top, but the closet organizing video, everything is still color coordinated. Everything will still be color coordinated, but as you can see, I have like sweaters and long sleeve dresses, still got the tag on it, long sleeve shirts and all of that, which needs to come out. So I'm going to be taking all of the fall stuff out and putting the spring stuff in. These are all the clothes that I've taken out of my closet so far. So much stuff to get rid of or to put in a bin or something. I really don't have any space for it. So what I decided to do, if you guys have Poshmark, please go shop my closet. My name on Poshmark is Yeada B, YEADAB. I'll put it on the screen as well, but shop my closet because I don't have space for these clothes, and these are some really cute stuff. So, and they've only been worn like maybe once or twice. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm taking a quick break from my closet, but I wanted to show y'all today's lunch. I have a salad here. I got kale as my lettuce with some Morningstar chickenless patties, broccoli, wonton strips, and a few sunflower seeds. In today's dressing, I use balsamic vinaigrette. So yeah, this is about to be good. I'm just about to eat this real quick, scroll through a little Instagram, and then get back to my closet. Alright y'all, so I just finished washing my hair, and as you can see, I just put it in these two little French braids for the week. Yes, I have my shampoo and conditioner in the background because somebody previously on my, I think it was my hair routine video, asked me to show like the shampoo and conditioners that I use. So I use two different brands, so I kind of flip-flop or whatever. So let me show y'all those. So the first is the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Shampoo and Daily Hydration Conditioner. This is 100% virgin coconut oil. And then I use the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and the Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. So those are the shampoo and conditioners that I currently use. So if you guys, I was thinking about doing like a hair products video showing y'all like everything that I use on my hair. If you guys want to see a video like that, let me know down in the comments below. Who else struggles when it comes to painting your own nails? Like, I hate painting my own nails because my left hand always looks better than my right hand. Like, every time. I literally be like shaking when I'm doing my right hand with my left hand. But I chose this color. This is this the little nail this the little nail polish that be at the nail shops. They gave me one free the last time I got my nails done there. But this is the D&D 140 khaki rose color. So I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. It's like a pretty soft pink. I was thinking of going bright, but I'm like, nah, not yet. So yeah, here's the color. Alright y'all, so I finished my nails. They came out decent. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, they ain't like the nail shop, but they'll do, okay? They'll do for now. My hair, it'll do for now. But this is typically how my Sundays are. They're pretty chill, relaxing. Sometimes I'll do self-care. Sometimes I'll be getting ready for the work week. It just depends on Sunday. But now that I'm working from home, I ain't gotta worry about getting myself ready for the week, whatever. Just throw on a sweatshirt and some jogging pants. So call it wonderful. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Y'all can leave comments down in the comment section if y'all want to see more videos like these. Yeah, I say a lot, so sorry y'all, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I'm about to try to edit this video real quick, watch some Netflix, figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner, and call it a night. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.